Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making corned beef egg sauce with spaghetti. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. By family to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. Come. For ingredients, we'll be needing our corned beef, fresh basil or cucumber, eggs, salt to taste, blended spice, spaghetti, curry powder, tomatoes, onion and pepper, tomato paste, and oil. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing to make our delicious corned beef egg sauce with spaghetti. We go ahead and shred our onion and oil in the pan. I'll go in with my curry powder to infuse in the oil. Go in with my onions, guys. Let's go ahead and blend our veggies. Guys, the flavors here are awesome. The infused oil in the onion, guys, it brings this flavor that takes your sauce to the another level. With our blended spice, we'll go ahead and add our tomato puree or tomato paste, guys. This is my homemade tomato paste. You can check on my channel for this video. Look at this. Look at how rich, delicious it looks. Let's go ahead and add some to our sauce. If you want to know how I make my tomato paste, check on my channel, guys. You'll see how I make this delicious, healthy tomato paste. Let's go in with our fresh tomatoes, guys. This is blended tomatoes and pepper. Guys, let's go ahead and add salt, but you really have to be careful with the salt now. Just a little bit of salt to bring the taste, because we still have to add the corned beef, and you know that corned beef can be a little bit salty. So now everything has mixed together. I'll go ahead and cover it up, and then on a medium heat we let our sauce to fry. And this particular sauce is so delicious. You can use it to eat your spaghetti, rice, yam, potatoes, anything of your choice, even banku. That's what I say. On a medium heat, that's it. Guys, whilst we are waiting for our sauce to get ready, we're almost there. I've boiled some water in the kettle. I'll go ahead and add it to the pot, and we'll cook our spaghetti. Go in with some sauce. A little bit of oil for the shining. Oil has settled on top, so this means that our sauce is ready. I'll go in with my corned beef. You just cut them into little chunks and add it to your stew. Perfect. I'll go ahead and cover it up and allow it to cook on a medium heat, guys. Always important. Then break our eggs. Perfect. We will go ahead and add it to our sauce. As this method, I'm not going to whip or whisk my eggs. I'm going to add it direct. So once you have just added to your sauce, like this, and then you break it in the sauce. And then you just go ahead and cover your sauce at a medium heat and allow it to cook. Once our spaghetti is ready, I'll go ahead and drain the water and check on our sauce. Look at this. It looks so delicious, guys. It looks so delicious. It looks so delicious. Ooh. Look at this, it looks so good. So I'll go in with my basil, guys. And then I'll taste for salt. It's perfect. Salt is on point. Our sauce is ready, guys. I'll go ahead and put on the fire and then we are going to serve. Food is ready. Let's go ahead and serve. Look at this. It looks so good and delicious. Look at this. Now we'll go ahead and serve. Guys, look at this. It looks so good. Garnish it with some butter sauce, guys. Look at this. Our corned beef egg sauce is ready with spaghetti. It looks so good, guys. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my video, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Adios. Kiss, kiss.